Hey food lovers! Today we're making a rich, creamy, and absolutely delicious homemade tomato soup that will warm your soul. This velvety smooth soup is packed with deep flavors and has the perfect balance of tangy tomatoes, buttery richness, and a creamy touch. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon butter, 2 heaping tablespoons flour, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 5 ripe tomatoes, grated, 4 cups water, salt, half cup milk. Let's get cooking! Heat the oil and butter in a pot. Once the butter melts and starts sizzling, add the flour. Stir and cook for about a minute until the flour turns golden and smells nutty. Add tomato paste and sauté for another 1 to 2 minutes to enhance the flavor. Pour in the grated tomatoes and let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Gradually add the water while stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Season with salt to taste. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes on low heat, stirring occasionally. This will allow all the flavors to blend beautifully. Before serving, pour in the milk and mix well to achieve that creamy, dreamy texture. For an extra indulgent touch, sprinkle some grated cheddar or mozzarella cheese on top and add a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Serve with crusty bread or crunchy croutons for the ultimate experience. There you have it, a heartwarming bowl of creamy tomato soup that's pure comfort in every spoonful. Let me know in the comments if you try this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious homemade recipes. See you in the next one. Happy cooking!